Hello, and welcome to another wonderful Wired Wednesday. My name is Ashley, and this is DIY Interlibrary Loan. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, if you've never done this before, is that you want to email the library at libraryinfo@thebluemountains.ca or give us a call and we'll set you up with a login for this. So the first thing you want to do, you want to choose your language. So you're going to actually go to info.vdxhost.com. Then you choose your language, so English or French. So I'm going to choose English. And then you want to sign in. So if you go up to the top right-hand corner, you can sign in. So the user ID will be provided for you. And then your password. And then your authentication service. So for us, it's Blue Mountains Public Library. And then hit login. So as you can see here, it's searching the closest to us. So if you look here, it says current profile. It says Souls, Bruce, Wellington, and Peel. Those are the closest libraries to us. So you can search right from here, and you can actually type in your search term, or you can do the advanced search as well. So, and if you just want to search for one library, you can deselect them, and then you can choose which libraries you'd like to search. But for this, I'm going to select everything. So how I'm going to search this is I'm going to do an advanced search. So before you search anything, you want to take a look at our library catalog to make sure that we don't have the book. Because if we do have it, you have to be put onto the holds list for it, or you can order it through us. If we don't have it, then this is where this comes in as well. So the books, we suggest to not order anything that is less than a year old, just because they're still popular titles and libraries typically will just hang on to those ones. So you can type in the title here. So I know that we have this book in our library. I just want to make sure it comes up so you can see this. So I'm just going to choose Eat, Pray, Love for this. Okay, so that's under the title field. And then I'm going to hit, go down here, and then you can hit search. So it's searching all of these libraries. You can see here it says you search for Eat and Pray and Love. And then it gives you all the libraries it's searching in. All right, so here we go. So you can see here, they number them. And then, so the closest one to us here is Grey Highlands Public Library. So you can see here the first one says Eat, Pray, Love. And then underneath it says it's a book. The date is 2007. And the collection is Grey Highlands Public Library. So what you can do is you can actually click on this here. And then you can make sure this is what you're looking for. And then if you want it, you can just hit the Get It button. So just up here on your right-hand side, you'll see Get It. And then everything you can just leave here alone. And you can go down and make sure your email address is in there so they can send you emails. And then your pickup location. So Blue Mountains, Maine. And then you can hit request. So when you hit request, it shows you here that you have hit this request button and it assigns you an ID for this request. So now to go in to see your request, you can use the My Requests button right from here, or under My Account, you'll see that there's My Requests. So as you can see here, this is the request. So I want to cancel the request now because I actually don't need this book. And like I said, the library has it. So if you just go over here and you hit cancel, you can go down to the bottom and hit cancel request. So this is the page that we were just at the beginning. So if you go down the left-hand side, you'll see the different search options. So you have standard search, advanced search, and search history. And then under your results, there's some options there too that you can go and take a look at. My Account, you can have saved lists, so you can save things as well. You can have saved searches, so searches that you've done before. You can create a request. You can see your requests, and so on and so forth. So under the current profile, it says here Bruce, Wellington, and Peel. So you can actually go down and so say if you go in and you can't find what you're looking for in Bruce, Wellington, or Peel, you can go down to other libraries and you can add them on here and you can just search those ones as well. So there's lots of options here. So once again, if you haven't used this before, you have to send us an email or phone us first to be able to get a login for this. So like I said, if you don't have a login already, you need to send us an email at libraryinfo@thebluemountains.ca or give us a call at the library, and we can get this all sorted out for you and send you an email with your credentials. And this is Interlibrary Loan. Have a great day.